like to enjoy berries all year round? Well, sometimes in the winter months they can be quite pricey. So, thanks to Everest Mountain Foods, you can now enjoy all kinds of berries in a can. They're freeze-dried and they're beautiful and big, and you never have crumbles in the can. Today I'd like to show you how simple it is to bake with a freeze-dried berry mix. This has strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and I'd like to show you how to make a delicious and easy triple berry buckle. You'll find the recipe below. What I like to do is to make my batter in my Blendtec. This makes it so easy. I don't have to get out the whippers and I don't have to make a mess. It all goes inside my blender. So I have my eggs, my flour, my sugar, and all the other ingredients, and I'm just going to place it on batter. Here we go. And it's that easy. Now we're ready to add our berries. Now, in order to reconstitute your berries, all you're going to do is add 1 cup of berries and 1 cup of hot water, and then just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now add your hot water, and then just let it sit. In 5 minutes, it'll be nicely absorbed, and we'll just put it through a strainer, and it'll be ready to go into our batter. Well, now that our berries have been soaking, it's time to just strain the water out. Now I'll put them in my strainer and get all that water out. Look how bright these are. Now it's time to get our batter ready. We'll just take the batter out of our blender and fold the berries in. I love this blender because you can do so many things, from soups to sauces, batters, and ice cream. All kinds of yummy creations. And there we go. Now it's time to fold in our berries. Just gently fold them in, making sure not to smash them, and they'll taste just like fresh. You'll love this triple berry crumble because when it comes out of the oven, it's nice and poofy and light. Now I've prepared 3 ramekins here on my cookie sheet, and I'm only making half a batch, so when you follow the recipe, it'll make 6 ramekins full. This is delicious, topped with a little dollop of cream. These go into 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes, and then you'll have something delicious to serve. Now, just before placing them in the oven, we're going to just sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon sugar crumble. Yummy. Here we go. Now look at this beautiful end result, these fluffy triple berry buckles. And you've made them from freeze-dried berries. You can make these all year round and enjoy all kinds of other delicious recipes using these triple berries. We're excited for you to try out all kinds of varieties of our freeze-dried and dehydrated fruits. See what real nutrition tastes like and enjoy your berries all year round.